First, inside AutoCAD, I'm going to use Zoom Extends. This allows me to see the entire floor plan and quickly verify that everything is clean, organized, and easy to read. Now that the drawing is ready, let's export it as a PDF. Press Ctrl+P to open the plot dialog. For the printer, select DWG to PDF. Set the paper size to A3. In what to plot, we will choose Window, as we will lose the scale of the paper anyway with AI floor plan rendering. Enable plot transparency. And for the plot style, choose monochrome. These settings create a clean PDF that AI can understand much more accurately. If you are wondering how I create a floor plan that looks this clean and professional, I covered that in my previous tutorial, Why Your Floor Plans Look Flat. Be sure to check that out after watching this video. Now click OK and save the PDF. Next, open ChatGPT and upload the floor plan PDF. Then ask ChatGPT to analyze the drawing and generate a rendering prompt. Right now, the exact wording does not really matter. Just tell ChatGPT whatever you want, add any ideas you think of, and let it generate the prompt for you. The better your description, the better the result will usually be. But you don't need to worry about writing a perfect prompt yourself. Once the prompt is generated, copy it. Now upload the same floor plan PDF again. Paste the prompt and generate the image. A few moments later, ChatGPT transforms the technical floor plan into a photorealistic architecture render. As impressive as the result looks, it's important to remember that AI isn't perfect. For example, in this render, the basement parking ramp is missing, and some of the stairs were generated incorrectly. These are common issues you will run into when using AI for architecture visualization. The good news is that these problems can be fixed. If you'd like to learn my complete workflow for creating professional AI architecture renders, including prompt engineering, correct AI mistakes, improving realism, and post-processing techniques, check out my AI architecture course on Patreon. The link is in the description.